So, where is Juliet this fine Saturday morning? I'm in PLF, Poulton Le Fylde. Now, a few of the viewers, apart from disliking everything I do, said you really do need to start appearing on these videos. So, here you go. So, fetching hat, so on and so forth. Anyway, today I am in Poulton Le Fylde, so we're going to have a look at this wonderful town and some of its quirkiness and some of the things that are hiding in plain sight. So this month I went to the Poulton Le Fylde Civic and Historical Society meeting. Lovely chap, Graham Evans, did a talk. Some of the things that were brought up was, if you go behind Aldi, which is where I am now, next to the train tracks, there is an old lamppost. We think it's the only one left from obviously the railway days, so let's have a little bit of a closer look. Got Anubis Drones, but obviously at the minute far too close to the train tracks. For some weird reason I was expecting this to be a lot bigger as well. But how cool is this? As you can see, here we are at Aldi. So the next bit I'm filming now is along an old wall. I was tipped off. Basically, the cattle used to get attached to the wall. Whether or not any meat hooks are left, I don't think. Not getting strange looks. I am. It's only a short stretch of wall. You can see it's been added on to as well. Now what do people call these? Snicket? Ginnel? Corridor of ill repute. No, we're coming to that one soon. Zavaganda. To be fair, nothing exciting. Marketplace now. Got the old police station. Called Bobby's Yard Artisan Food Hall and Market. I have no idea if this is open or not. I would say this is Chapel Alley, but it's not. I'm going to put a little title on later with its correct name. Be able to see some newer brick. Apparently, as told at the society, that used to be a doorway, because there used to be houses here. We're near St Chad's now. Let's see if I can get some of the wall as I walk. And then we'll have to see if we can go in the church. It's hard to believe there were houses here. Maybe Anubis Drones can shed a bit more air and light to this. Early February. Crocuses are beginning to come out. They're usually better sort of March, early April. Such a pretty church. I'm going to see if I can pop a link in, if there's one, to a website here. I do hope we can get in shortly. That would be lovely. The doors are open. Forgive me if I don't speak whilst I'm walking around. But this is a stunning church. If you're in Poulton, please do make time to pop in. You will not be disappointed. You ever wondered sometimes why they've got things outside a pub or a hostel? So you've got the golden ball here. You can see the golden ball. You've got to remember, back in the day when I was young, some people couldn't read, so they had to rely on visual aids, and that's why. Now you know.